Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope everyone is good. Welcome back in our online class, English. Students, in our previous video, we have studied about plants. In that lesson, we studied about different plants and few important things about plants, like plants can breathe, plants can drink water, plants also have pain, they feel happy and sad like human beings. A great scientist, his name was J.C. Bose, has proved all these things about plants. And also we learned few plants are there. Those plants are called flesh-eating plants, means the plants are eating small insects or tiny animals. Venus flytrap, sundew and the pitcher plant are the best examples of plant and flesh eating plants. These things all we have learnt in our previous videos. In this video, we are going to read a poem about rain. So our poem name is After the Rain. Okay. So you know rain. So when rain falls in some areas, we can see small puddles. Puddles means a small water stored in particular area. Okay. After the rain, we can see puddles. Usually, we are playing paper boats in that puddles. Means we are making a paper boats. In that boats, we are playing in puddles when after the rain. So here our poem is After the Rain. Before going to read poem, here we have a small activity. This activity related to how to make a paper boat. Understand? This activity is telling that how to make a paper boat. So these are the different steps to make a paper boat. See, children love to play in the rain after rain is over. Children love to play in the rain after the rain is over. Yes or no? Do you love to play in rain after rain is over? Yes, everyone likes, especially children. The rain they make paper boats and float them on the water gathered in puddles. I already told you, usually children are playing paper, but they are making paper boats and playing in the puddles. Can you make a paper boat? If you can't, follow the steps shown below and try to make one. So, some students know how to make a paper boat, some they don't know. Here, these are the different steps to make a paper boat. By following these steps, we can make a paper boat. Understand? Okay? Make a paper boat and show me while you are coming for taking worksheets. Understand? Next. Now we will see the poem. We will read the poem After the Rain. What is in the poem? The leaves are fresh after the rain. The air is cool and clear. The sun is shining warm again. The sparrows hopping in the lane. and brisk and full of cheer. And that is why we dance and play, and that is why we sing. Calling out in voices gay, we will not go to school today, nor learn anything. It is a happy thing, I say, to dance and play on such a day. See, the leaves are fresh after the rain. So after the rain, leaves are very fresh. Why? Because whatever the dust particles on the leaves, the complete dust particles will go because of rain. Understand? So the leaves are fresh after the rain. The air is cool and clear. So after the rain, atmosphere will change. Weather will be changed. So we feel cool and clear weather. So the air is also cool. The sun is shining warm again. So when it is raining, sometimes sun is rising, then rain also will come. But mostly after the rain, sun will come. Okay. So the sun is started shining warm again. The sparrows hopping in the lane and brisk and full of cheer. So after the rain, most of the birds feels very relaxed. So sparrows also hopping in the lane. And that is why we dance and play. Why? Because the atmosphere, the weather is cool and clear. Okay, children are love to play in this weather. So that's why they are dancing and playing. And that is why we sing, calling out in voices gay, we will not go to school today. So if it is heavy rain, it is possible to go to school? No. If there are heavy rains, we can't go anywhere. Even we can't step out of our house also. So they are not going to school, children are not going to school, and no need to learn anything. It is a happy thing, I say, to dance and play on such a day. So, after the rain, children are love to play. So, they feel very happy. Why? Because they can dance and play on such a day. This is your poem after the rain. See once again. The leaves are fresh after the rain. The air is cool and clear. The sun is shining warm again, the sparrows hopping in the lane, and brisk and full of cheer. And that is why we dance and play, and that is why we sing. Calling out in voices we will not go to school today, nor learn anything. It is a happy thing, I say, to dance and play on such a day. Okay? See here. These are the new words from this poem. Okay, you must underline these new words in your book and also write in your notebook as a classwork. Okay, 2 times you can write down new words. Okay, first one fresh, second one warm, third one brisk, fourth one hopping, and the fifth one cheer. So these words write in your notebook 2 times. Okay, thank you.